Hey guys, my name is Hans with Exosite. At Exosite we make it really easy to take data from the real world, real-time information, and then put it online where people and businesses can make use of it. Typically these systems that we work with are pretty hardcore enterprise class systems where we're doing embedded development, we're taking the data from the embedded system, the sensor, the data acquisition site, getting it online through cellular, through Wi-Fi, through Ethernet, and then in the cloud we're doing processing, data analytics, different web dashboard visualizations, some dispatching back into those business systems. But today I wanted to share with you a little bit of a microcosm of those systems that we created here at the Exosite office, and that is getting this foosball table online so we can tell the very important metric of who is the best foosball player at Exosite. Since this is more of a hobbyist project, we went ahead and used an Arduino system based on Atmel 18 mega processor to hook up the sensors from the foosball table and from the player sensors up to the cloud. We use digital I/O to hook up to the goal sensors and the analog I/O to hook up to the player sensors. And one of the cool things about the cloud is you can do all the real-time processing as data is coming in to figure out who's playing who's scoring what, up in the cloud, and just send the raw data up. So we use Ethernet to send the data up to the cloud, and then in the cloud we have all of our data acquisition and web dashboards to show leaderboard and that sort of thing. This is the Arduino in a project box, and on top of the Arduino we bolt on one of the Arduino Ethernet shields, and on top of that we made a little sensor input board to hook all the foosball table sensors into. And this is what the foosball table sensor board looks like. We just hook up ground power and the two goal sensors to the Arduino system. This foosball table was pretty nice because it already had the goal sensors built into it, so we just have to hook up to it to be able to see whenever goals go in. For the player sensors, we use old serial port DB9 connectors for the two players on each side, and we give each player, each person in the office, a mating DB9 with a special analog value so they can create their own avatars to represent themselves as they do battle.